Hello, welcome this week to TalkPoint at 𝐊𝐢𝐳𝐶 study and travel abroad to Nigeria. Quickly today, I have an amazing topic to discuss, and that is data consumption in Nigeria. Yeah, how do we rate data consumption in Nigeria? Do we say useless, or we say poor, or we say fair, or good, or would you mind to say excellent? For me, I'm gonna keep a record of my ratings right in my mind, but the truth is answer the question and let's see what it is, if it's good or bad for us. But the real truth is, you know it then. Okay, practically, let's go into the study of data usage. In Nigeria, the government has been the bad. That is the absolute truth. As a citizen, you've come to realize that network providers, or should I say service providers, or internet providers primarily, are really taking a whole lot from us. And you come to realize back in some days that you have to subscribe. There were days sometimes that you had to subscribe 3,500 naira, way around 2007, and the rate at which the exhaustion was bad. Let's move away from the years to the current now. Now these days, you come to start thinking like, is there an extra mundane sharing your data? Like, is there an extra mundane spirit sharing your data with you? That's the absolute truth. Because you come to subscribe and you, even without doing a whole lot of things, you still get a prompt message or notification that you've exhausted your data without having done nothing. A service provider or our internet service provider are cheating us. The government are cheating us. Times back, it was the government that said that increased the rate at which data must be purchased. Now, even at the fact that we had to cope with that, we agreed, but we coped with that. We actually took that, and still yet we subscribed. Before, I used to be able to at least manage a data of a little change, should I say, maybe around 3,000, 4,000. But currently, I can't use such data because it's not going to get me anywhere to do anything at all. No. And this is a whole lot of headache for us as Nigerians. I'm sure that I am not the only one in this position. I am not. I can't imagine when I subscribe a 50 GB and I would not be able to use it up to a month. Less than 3 weeks. I know a lot of people will say it's because of what you're doing, it's because of this, it's because of that. But why do I have to subscribe 50 GB? That's a whole lot of money to subscribe 50 GB. I really don't want to mention any amount. To subscribe 50 GB is a whole lot of money. Why should it be like that? That my data has to start going vroom va vroom. In no space of time, I come to realize that what have I done? I've not really done something serious. I could remember vividly there was a time that my other internet service provider was so poor, and I had to do something very urgent, very important. Okay, I actually tried to subscribe on a different internet service provider, and immediately I subscribed under. Okay, I did a little amount because I still have data on the other one, so I did a little amount so I could actually do a round of what I wanted to do, because I'm already at the last part. And immediately I subscribed, I was still trying to edit or work on some things, and 10 minutes after, I wasn't doing anything. The data was just active there, and I got a notification that I have just exhausted my data, and I was so furious. I was so pissed. And when that actually got exhausted, I subscribed for another one again. Like, okay, fine, let me quickly just round up what I wanted to do, and the same thing happened. And I don't know, I was so confused. And all these things gets to relate back to our government. Now, we're talking about data. The masses are not the one in the system to actually put an actual regulation for these things. Now it is because the government has given the service provider or internet service provider the privilege to take from us. In the generation that we have now, you have to be active online. That is the real truth. Because you're going to miss a whole lot of information if you are offline. Let's forget about that. Some information needs to pass. A lot of information cannot be passed across to you via a direct call. Like right now in the system, in the generation that we have now, a lot of people would prefer to reach you via WhatsApp call or any other platform, to send a message to you via social media platform, WhatsApp or Instagram. You can get a message on LinkedIn, on your LinkedIn account, that you need to attend to. So you need to be active online. And the real truth is that what benefit are we enjoying as a citizen of this country? We are not enjoying anything. We pay for everything, and we are still robbed off from these things. I'm so sure that probably maybe until an international country come take us up to another level of changing our life, or changing the Nigerian citizens' possibility of data, maybe until that. But currently now, we are really suffering from the government. We are really suffering from the internet service providers. That is the actual truth. And there is nothing we can do. We pay for all these things, and we are still not enjoying them. Now, in foreign countries, we know that, okay, things are, but when they pay for these things, they enjoy them. There are local African countries here that they enjoy their internet service, they enjoy power supply, they enjoy a whole lot of things. Fine, they pay for it. But we pay for it here, and we do not enjoy it as we should. You can drop your comment in the comment section, or your views or your opinions, anything that you have to say. And I'm going to stop here for this week. My name is 𝐊𝐢𝐻𝑜𝑟 𝑆𝑡𝑢𝑑𝑦, and I am a representative for 𝐊𝐢𝐲 Study and Travel Abroad Nigeria. Should you have questions about anything related to study or travel abroad, please do not hesitate. You can chat us via WhatsApp 00331496670, and you can also reach us via Facebook 𝐷𝐼 Consultancy, Instagram 𝐷𝐼 Services. Please click to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get time to time updates of whatever we have to say, and please, pleading, share with friends and families. And you can visit our website too on www.rsgiservices.info. Thank you for watching. We'll be back some other time to give you an exciting moment and an interesting topic to discuss. Thank you.